Hey guys, today we will show you how to install apps without the Google Play Store. Let's get into it. First, type in the name of the app you want in Google with the text APK and hit search. For example, let's say I want to install the Subway Surfers game. So I'm gonna type in Subway Surfers APK and hit search. Usually all you have to do is click on the first site here and it should lead you to a download button for the app. Since the first result here is a modern version of Subway Surfers, I'm gonna choose the second one, like this. Download the app and then go to the downloads folder and tap on the downloaded app. It will show you a warning message saying that you are not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Now what you have to do is tap on the settings and then enable allow apps from the source, like this. Now it will ask you if you want to install the app or not. Then just tap on install. That's it. The next method is by using third-party app stores like F-Droid, Amazon App Store, APK Mirror and others. To do this, you need to choose a third-party app store you want and download the APK to your device. As an example, let's say I want F-Droid App Store. First, I will download the F-Droid APK to my phone just like I showed you before. Then you can either navigate to your download folder using a file browser app or tap on the completed download in your mobile browser and begin the installation. The system may ask you to grant permission to either the file browser or your web browser to install the app. Grant the permission and it should bounce you back to the installation screen. If not, navigate back to your download folder after granting permission to try again. After installing the third-party app store on your phone, you can open up the app and search and install any app or game just like in the Play Store.